Good evening, Hamlin County School family. Please take a few minutes to review the following information and contact Ms. Carlene Webb if you have any questions. Number one, as we stated in our last update, students will have the option of attending school online this year. Parents will be asked to complete a form stating they want to participate in online instruction and must return that form to the school or central office by July 1st. This form is posted on our website, or you can pick up a hard copy at the central office. Parents may also complete the form and email to their building level principal if they have that option. Enrollment in the online program will not require administrative approval. Students can enroll in our online program if they are a resident of Hamlin County. It is important to note that we still want every child to complete the registration and student enrollment process, so we will have all of the necessary demographics if we need to contact parents. It is also important to note that we want students to remain in one of these programs and not constantly move back and forth from online to actual on-site classes. Changes will be made at the end of the grading period. Finally, students and parents must acknowledge that daily attendance and completing coursework online is mandatory. Number two, we have posted a survey on our website which is designed to help us better understand the plans that parents may have for next year. This information will be valuable in helping us create an effective instructional program for the upcoming school year. Please complete this survey by June the 29th if possible. Parents can pick up a paper copy of the survey at the central office if they cannot access the online option. We have also printed this survey in Spanish for those needing it. Number three, many have asked what type of computer they should purchase if they want to buy one. Most new computers will work if you can connect to the internet. Your current computer should work if you can download YouTube videos or live stream movies. Many different computers and configurations would work, but the school district is purchasing computers with the specifications listed at the end of this broadcast. It is also important to note that the school district is moving toward being a PC school system, and we are no longer supporting Mac computers. However, parents can access the lessons through a Mac if they want. The district is recommending an El Capitan 10.11 or better with Safari if you're going to use this computer model for online instruction. Number four, we are not endorsing any specific computer or brand with this offer, but parents may purchase the same computer we are buying if they so desire. The school district does not have the necessary staff to help guide everyone through this process and to be of a technical assistance, but we do want to help in a small way if we can. Parents may purchase the same computers that we are buying by contacting Technology Express in Oak Hill, Kingston, Tennessee. Their phone number is 1-800-209-1256. Please let the representative know that you're calling to order a computer that is connected with Hamlin County. The representative will take your name and contact the school district to make sure that your child is a student of Hamlin County. They will verify this information and then contact you for payment. The cost of the computers are approximately $600. It is important to understand that the district's involvement will end with this announcement and that we cannot be of any assistance and help to you after you make this purchase. This would be an independent decision, and that the school district will not become involved. It is also important to note that educators can also take advantage of this deal. Staff members would use the same process. It is important to note that we have many local vendors who can assist you and provide the necessary service after your purchase if you want to buy local. We encourage everyone to purchase locally if you can. This will help out our economy and keep us strong. Number five, we will loan students a district computer to complete online program if needed. The necessary applications and protocols for distribution of these computers will be announced after July 6th. It is important to note that we've purchased over 2,000 computers for students to use next year. We are committed to ensuring that every parent needing a computer has access to online instruction so parents do not need to be worried about being left behind without technology. Our most significant concern is that thousands of schools have just purchased computers like we have. The demand is exceptionally high at this time, and supply lines have been damaged by the virus. Normally, the computers would be here before the start of the school, but there is a possibility we will not have them on the very first day of school. We encourage parents to have a backup option for a couple weeks if our computers are delayed. However, our goal would be to have everything ready by July the 31st and ready for that first day of school. Number 6, in preparation for the virtual learning option, we are going to offer training for elementary and middle school parents and students to learn more about how to use Google Classrooms. Trainings will be held at each school site on the following dates: Tuesday, July the 7th at 6 o'clock, Thursday, July the 9th at 12 o'clock, Monday, July the 13th at 6 o'clock, Tuesday, July the 14th at 12 o'clock. All sessions will be conducted at each one of the school buildings to help reduce the number of participants and to offer a greater convenience for our parents. We will provide an online training option for those who are unable to attend the in-person training sessions. We will also provide simple written instructions if you cannot attend physically or participate online. Parents who have students in multiple schools would only need to attend one session. The training will be mandatory for parents who elect to enroll in the virtual online program. Parents will be asked to complete a registration form so we have sufficient staff available at the workshops to help you. Parents can download these forms from our website or contact the school for a paper copy after July the 1st. It is our hope that we can get everyone trained and ready to participate in online instruction. Number 7, we will have kindergarten registration and Jump Start together this year. Students will register for kindergarten on July the 20th at their individual schools. All elementary schools will be open from 5 o'clock p.m. to 8 o'clock p.m. to assist with registration. We will continue the orientation process for kindergartners for the next 3 days on July the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. It is extremely important that all parents with kindergarten children attend this registration day and Jump Start. Students will not be required to wear masks, and we will divide the students into small groups to minimize the potential for exposure. Parents or children with compromised health conditions who cannot attend should contact their principal for over-the-phone registration. We may provide an online orientation program for parents if we have a large number of students unable to attend in person. You will need certain documents posted at the end of this broadcast to register your child for preschool or kindergarten. Please take a moment to look at these documents and make sure that you have them when you go in to register. Number 8, we have developed 2 online sample lessons for parents to review. These lessons are only for pre-K through 8 students. We have a different format for high school students. It is important to understand the purpose of these videos is not designed to focus on actual instruction. They are designed to model what a typical online lesson may be and also determine if parents can access the lesson with your current computer. Please locate these sample lessons on our website and see if you can access them. The lessons will be added to our district website homepage and will be available starting Monday, June the 22nd. Don't worry if you're unable to view the entire lesson because we will help during the parent training sessions which were described in statement number 6 if you're struggling. Each school will provide the name and contact information of a staff member who will help parents who are struggling with this process. Although our initial efforts will be focused on parents wanting to participate in online instruction, every parent should attempt to watch the lesson because everyone needs to be prepared to attend school online if the virus forces us to close in the future. Number 9, We are required to provide special education services for all students if those services are identified in the Individual Education Plan or IEP. Providing those services to children enrolled in an online program becomes more challenging, but we will ensure the needs of our special education students are met. Case managers or teachers will contact parents to discuss how online special education students will receive accommodations and support. These conversations will occur in July as we get closer to the start of school. Thank you for your attention to this video, and we certainly do appreciate all that you're doing. Stay healthy, and we will see you soon.